Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model sword, this simple sword in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render. So this was the image I was using. This was the image, and this is our render. This is our model. This was the image, and this is our model. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.